Here's my coffee. Good morning, everyone. We just woke up and we're going to get ready for the day. We're having breakfast in the lodge or the hotel. We're just having some muffins and coffee and some juice and yogurt. And then we're going to head out to go look at kiwi birds, and then we're actually gonna go on a glacier hike. And then afterwards, we're gonna go to the hot springs, the FRANZ JOSEF hot springs, and that should be really fun. And that's it. And then this is our last night in FRANZ JOSEF. We're staying in this hotel again, and then afterwards, we're gonna head back to Christchurch. And that's it. So let's get our day started. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Yay! 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 Like a mosquito bite right here. It's not a mosquito bite, it's like a fly, little fly bite. I have some on my ankles too. Ooh, Daddy's cutting some apples. What else? What's that thing? Is it a flat peach or a nectarine?
Yeah.
We're gonna have yogurt, muffins, and some more fruit. And those are some cheezels. That's not breakfast food. What else we have here? The hotel actually brought this for us yesterday, or last night. We have cornflakes, muesli. What is this one? More. You want cornflakes? Muesli. Cool. This one's really good.
Cornflakes, please.
Okay. And then there's jam, cookies, more fruit. Cornflakes right here. You want it with milk?
Yeah, I like cornflakes with milk.
We're on our way to see some kiwi birds. The weather is so beautiful today. Very nice. And it's very rare to have a sunny day in FRANZ JOSEF, so we're really lucky. Beautiful day. We're going to the wildlife center and we're gonna go see some kiwi birds. We have the kiwi birds backstage pass, which is pretty cool. There's the FRANZ JOSEF Wildlife Center. I know it's a good day because there's a lot of helicopters going out. They would not go out if the weather wasn't perfect, so. Here we go.
You had to wear the booty?
Kiwi up here. Very excited.
Very excited to hang out with them.
So, welcome to the West Coast Wildlife Centre. This is our Operation Nest Egg facilities. So have you guys seen a kiwi before today? There's not very many at all, but I can show you all of the different species here on the map. So do you know whereabouts you guys saw another kiwi?
It was probably on the North Island.
North
somewhere.
Island,
yeah.
So it's most probably the North Island brown, which are found all over the North Island, and they are the most common. One of the reasons why they are doing so well is because Operation Nest Egg, which is the program we run here, it started with the North Island brown, and because it works so well, that is why they're branching it out to that species. Now, as I said before, we do have the most endangered species, which is the rowie, and there is only 500 of them left. But believe it or not, there used to be even less than that. There used to be only 100 to 200 of them. Just one of these stoats can take out multiple kiwi chicks in just one night. So they are a pretty massive problem here. There are millions all over New Zealand. You can see they've got these really sharp talons, which are definitely fantastic for protecting themselves.
Are the kiwis related to the moa? I'm just looking at their feet.
Yeah, they are. During the transport, there will be a hot water bottle inside as well, keeping it warm. Now once it arrives here, we'll bring it to the egg arrival room. Now what we'll do is we'll check inside the egg as well. So that's what this is here. We'll turn off the lights, use a torch just like this, press it against the shell, and we can see everything that's going on inside. Most of all, we want to make sure that we know around about how long it has been incubating for, because the eggs, well, the incubation time is about 80 days. It's about 70 to 72 days old. We'll move it to the other side of the room where there is a camera pointing downwards. Usually we'd be able to fit
Excuse me?
Yeah?
Can you see what's going on in here?
So he's wobbling around and making little noises. That is exactly what we are looking for. This tells us he's got plenty of energy, doesn't need any help to hatch at all. That little hole there, that is called the external pip, and that is all that the chick will do with its bill. As I said before, it is pushing itself out, so it takes a lot more effort and a lot more time. So it is about 5 to 10 days of hatch, so they can get absolutely exhausted. For this, the last 40 minutes all sped up. Once they do hatch, we leave them inside the incubators for 2 days. It allows them some time to regain their energy and to dry out their feathers. Once they are 2 days old, we'll move them down the hall into the brooder room, which I'll show you in a little bit. That is where this little chick is now. So they'll have a much larger area to run around in. They'll have soil to probe around with their bill. So they'll all be ready to go pretty much.
Oh yeah!
And if you look right next to you there, there's actually one right under the log.
Oh, right here, look.
Oh, hello.
So you want to
Which
do
one
your
am I
flashes
trying to
on?
see?
Come here, look at him.
Right here, right here.
Hey, don't tap on the glass. You're gonna scare him.
Yeah, so we do have 6 in total.
Ah.
5 of them are in here. They're quite long-lived animals. Out in the open. What it also does is it detects any predators. So because their native predators are birds of prey, they'll be flying above them and casting a shadow over that third eye. So they'll be able to detect that. Yeah, so for these guys, they have a layer of skin over it, so it's very, very hard to see. It's mostly just like a tiny little bump. So this is where we
Yeah.
So he's our big male. It's because he's 27 years old, as I said before. So he's not quite fully grown yet. We've got a little bit more to go. Got a beautiful long tail there. They do have the ability to drop their tail if they want to, but they only do it as a last resort. So it's quite rare that they will. There's different segments or these different lines down his tail. At any one of those points, he can drop them if he needs to. Yeah, so we feed them locusts here. Yeah, cool. So any other questions before I pop them away?
No.
No? Awesome.
Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, that's cool. Meet my family. We are the Rowie, the rarest of them all. How cute. You can hear different sounds. About to go into the nocturnal house to see some Kiwi chicks, but I can't take any photos or videos in there, so you're gonna have to take my word for it. It's really cute. Go in the glacier. Say cheese. Oh, this is a good photo.
Average rainfall, FRANZ Josef, 5,100 millimeters. 11 in Los Angeles, 302.
It's time for the glacier walk, although we can't go all the way to the end. Hey, dads. Wow, it's a glacier. Well, look at the waterfall. Well, there's a lot of helicopter rides out today.
Thank you.
Ooh. Cheers to New Zealand! Look at my BLT, that looks so good. Carbonara. Satay chicken.
Right
Oh
there.
yeah. Ooh, you want some guacamole? Seafood
Chips.
chowder. I'll get you chips.
What's that? Guacamole?
And your... This is nachos.
Nachos.
Really hot? Cheers, everyone! Cheers, everyone! Cheers to Franz Josef and the wonderful weather we had today. Cheers!
Kiwi bird.
Hello, everyone. We just got back from dinner. We had dinner at, I want to say Tiger Mom, but it's not right. What is it? Tiger King. King Tiger. King Tiger. Which is kind of an Asian fusion restaurant here at Franz Josef, and it was really good. It was really nice. We had some drinks and some yummy food, and now we're back at the hotel. We're gonna probably head to bed. We did a lot of fun stuff today. We saw kiwi birds. It's the rowy kiwi, right? The rarest kiwi bird. There's only like, what, 400 or 500 that are around. 400. They have this thing called Operation Nest Egg. They're trying to preserve this species of kiwi birds. What else did we do today? We went to a glacier walk, the Franz Josef Glacier Walk. We didn't get to go like into the glacier because it wasn't safe, but we did get a good view from the walk that we took. And then we also went to the Franz Josef Hot Glacier Falls, which is really fun. And now we're ready for bed. So when we left for dinner, they came by and dropped off breakfast for tomorrow morning. It's pretty cool. There's some cornflakes, muesli, breakfast cereal type food, and then there's fruit like apples, there's milk, there's fresh bread, and ooh, different muffins. Yesterday we had chocolate muffins. Today it looks like it's lemon muffins or something like that. Anyways, that's it. Good night, everybody. So right now we're on the Transalpine train from Greymouth to Christchurch. I got a little champagne,
We have-
sparkling wine, I meant. Oh, so pretty.